back, everybody. Let's continue this drawing. Let's keep adding details and get this spaceship going. Okay, I had a little box in the corner here. So do I want to make a box in the corner? Guess we'll make a box in the corner. Thinking what's up here. I think this would be a light, like a light panel to shine down as you're reading in bed or something. I think what would be on this panel here. That would just be like a light, maybe some strips, like a. Let's see. Let's go ahead and switch triangles first of all. Give myself the middle. Okay, and then I've got my line there. Okay, so I got two sections now, and I just want to kind of keep breaking them up. You know, I guess I could have been more precise with this. I could actually measure this line here. Oh, it's right at 6, of course. I remember that from last time. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. It's 5. So I get my halfway. And here it's a little less than 6. So even it out. Okay, that's. And maybe I'll break it up a few more times. You know, I could just measure. I'm just going to measure everything up here. There's no reason not to. Because this line is not going away from us, I can measure it. So it's 2.5. So that would be 1 and then a half of that. 1, 2, 3, middle of 3. That doesn't look right there, does that? 2.5. Bring it out, let's see. 1, 2. That looks a little closer. All right, I think I can rough it here. Okay. And make sure I got this line nice and straight here. Okay, I think I want to break that up more, but let's just leave it like that for now. Okay, let's see what else we can put. Let's see. Yeah, I think you need something in the corner here. So I'm going to start with the ground. It's like a locker or something. So I'm building it up from the ground now. Again, starting with the part touching the ground, just to keep everything grounded on the same plane. So I'm just gonna make a box and see what happens with it here. Don't have any great plan. Spin that around. There we go. Okay, let's make it open. have an ability to open there. Okay. And not very exciting, but let's angle it or something. Let's do something to this thing. Make it look slightly more interesting. It's going to be shorter if it does that. You know what? Maybe it's angled to the bottom too. So okay, so straight down from here. And again, I am roughing it out. Okay, so we're going to have a line going straight across. All right. It's also got a handle somewhere in the middle. Let's probably figure out where the middle is. Maybe it's got some knobs right there. And that's probably okay for now. Okay, let's see where else I need some details. Need a panel here to get in the door, in and out the door. And I also think I need to just add a little more something going on with this door here. Doesn't feel like it has too much volume to me. So let's give this some volume. Let's double up this line. Make it look like it's got some width to it. Oops. That was not straight. Okay, we got that. Then we got to set this back a little more if we want to give it that width. I don't think it needs, doesn't need black there. Maybe the panel will be on the inside there? Is that big enough? I don't know. It's a little high, I think, for the panel. Let me bring that lower. Not necessarily straight either. So there's a little tug of war of me with me trying to go fast just for the sake of keeping creative and loose, and then also trying to make everything correct. And sometimes those things don't always go together. Okay, so there's my panel. Okay. Okay. Random space knob. thinking like something to attach, plug into. Okay, last thing I think I need are some light panels or strips up here. So for this, I think I would just measure it. Let's see if I can find something. Let's see if I get lucky and things are even. Well, it's almost at half. Half centimeter increments. So let's see what here I can do here. So let's mark that. That's 1. So that was a half there. And then 1. Another half. And then 1. So another half here. And 1 centimeter. And how's that going to even out? 1. Actually, it evens out. It goes perfectly. Half. If it wasn't going to go perfectly, I was just going to stop it and just do panels on the end. But they actually line up. Sometimes things work out. And these are all going to the vanishing point, obviously. This is also where I see people kind of get messed up. They don't trust it. They don't trust the angle. Trust the angle. Okay, cool. I don't want them to start exactly at the edge of the wall, though. It looks a little lame. So I'm going to make a line where they all start. Okay, let's get in there and erase it. Let's see if I can get a sharp enough corner here. And sometimes you just got to erase the whole thing and then draw it back. All right, and the line is here, 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 and here. And this line is there. Okay, cool. Kind of want something on the wall here to indicate the cut, maybe like a vent or something up here. Let's do a vent. Gotta breathe in space, right? Okay, so this is gonna be parallel. And then I gotta do I'm gonna make a bunch of just lines here for my vent. And that's my middle. And let's see. Let's just keep cutting this in half here. So I'm going to do I'm basically doing my X rule at an angle. Okay, let's get rid of these little lines. Okay, but now I can see where the middle is. It's crossed there. And it looks a little janky. I don't know why. Okay, let's cut them again. Okay, we're getting there. That might be good, actually. Let's stick with that. Now, I do want it to look three-dimensional. This just looks like a flat kind of grate on the wall, so I have to decide what to do with it. I think I want to add a border. that one's going to go outside here so everything stays even. Outside. Then when I do my details, I'm going to have to erase those edges there. Okay, and then I have to decide how I want to do this. I'm just going to maybe make them thicker and then get thinner. As I get further back there, something like that. Okay, cool. Floor. I feel like it could be pretty glossy and smooth, but maybe I want to add some panel lines just to give it something. Let's see. Almost there and ready to do our details. Want to add some like something in the wall there. Like another one over here, like right in the middle of the window, in the wall, a different angle. Then there'd be another one over there. Do you have a rug on the floor? You make this feel a little more homey. But then we're getting kind of less clean. Have a clean look. Although it'd be nice. It'd be nice to have a rug. Some sort of stool, don't we, or something. A chair maybe, but I don't want to. Chairs can be kind of complicated to draw. I don't want to bog us down with that. So still maybe about that high. Okay, so I broke my rule, and I did not set this on the ground first. So that could run me into some problems. So let me make sure here. I find the middle. The middle of this here. And it's got to hit the ground. And now I could have, and still could if I need to, go and do all the rectangular or the square to make my circle fit inside the square. But I'm going to see if I can get away with it. Roughing it. Let's see if I can fix this up a little bit, make it look a little better. So I'm going to bring this down. Make it look like a triangular, or like a cone a little bit on the bottom. I'm not sure I pulled it off there. Yeah, not a fan. Let's try that again. Top of the cone. And I'm figuring the base has to be kind of wide since it's not in the ground. Maybe something like that. Okay. Well, there we go. We've got a room. I think we're just about ready for some details. And yeah. Okay, it looks like it's livable. And we'll get to that in the next video. All right.